Okay, 99 BMW 223i E46 engine. I'm going to do a quick spark plug replacement. I've been noticing some misfire. It's cold and it's been getting colder for about 2 to 3 months here. So I'm going to see if it's going to fix the problem. All right, what do I have? I got the Bosch Platinum. I got 6 for about $34 at Advance Auto. And of course, I got brand new plugs. Last time I did a complete tune-up was about a year ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I remember I changed the spark plug, but I did not change the plug itself. So I will see if it's gonna. I think I have misfire on one. It's gonna be misfire on 1 and 6. But I'm gonna change everything and see how it goes. If it solves the problem, good. If it doesn't solve, then I will troubleshoot. All right, I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. I already disconnect some of the part, but I'll see if I can do it again faster. Then last time it took me about total tune-up, had oil change, filter change. It took me about 2 hours to do that, but this is not complicated. It should not take me more than 30 minutes total.
First page of a story. The future seemed so bright. Then this thing turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels had their wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh, I love the way you lie. Now there's gravel in our voices, glasses shattered on the fight. In this tug of war, you'll always win, even when I'm right. 'Cause you feed me fables from your head, with violet words and empty threats. And it's sick that all these battles are what keeps me satisfied. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Oh, love the way you lie. Oh, so maybe I'm a masochist. I try to run, but I don't wanna ever leave till the walls are going up and smoke with all our memories.
This morning, you wake a sun ray, hit your face, smeared makeup is plain, the wake of destruction. Hush, baby, speak softly. Tell me you're awfully sorry that you pushed me into the coffee table last night so I can push you off me. Try and touch me so I can scream at you not to touch me. Run out the room and I'll follow you like a lost puppy. Baby, without you I'm nothing. I'm so lost, hug me. Then tell me how ugly I am, but that you'll always love me. Then after that, shove me. In the aftermath of the destructive path that we're on, two psychopaths, but we know that no matter how many mouths we put in each other's backs, that we'll have each other's backs. Cause we're that lucky together we move mountains. Let's not make mountains out of molehills. You hit me twice, yeah, but who's counting? I may have hit you 3 times, I'm starting to lose count, but together we'll live forever. We found the youth fountain of love. It's crazy, we're nuts, but I refuse counseling. This house is too huge. If you move out, I'll burn all 2,000 square feet of it to the ground. You can do about it, cause with you I'm in my mind. Without you I'm out.
Watch me burn. That's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. 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 Love the way you lie.
Ma France en moi, elle parle fort. Elle vit à bout de rêve, elle vient trop bas de blé, elle déteste les règles. Sèche les cours le plus souvent pour ne rien foutre. Elle joue au foot sous le soleil, souvent du court car dans la cour. C'est le hip-hop qui la fait danser sur les pistes. Parfois elle kiffe un peu de rock, ouais, si la mélodie est triste. Elle fume des clopes et un peu de shit, mais jamais de drogue dure. Héroïne, cocaïne et crack est alors dur. Souvent en guerre contre les administrations, leurs BEP mécaniques ne permettront pas d'être patron alors. Elles se démènent et vendent de la merde à des bourges, mais la merde ça ramène à la mer un peu de bouffe. Parce que la famille c'est l'amour et que l'amour se fait rare, elles se battent rien que mal pour les mettre à l'écart. À des valeurs, des principes et des codes, elles se couchent à l'heure du coq car elles passent toutes ces nuits en forme. Paraît feignante, mais dans le fond elles perdent pas de temps, certains la craignent car les médias s'acharnent à faire d'elle une corde. Si ma France en moi se valorise, c'est bien sûr pour mieux régner, s'intérioriser, s'interdit de saigner. C'est pas ma France à moi, cette France profonde, celle qui nous fout la honte et aimerait que l'on plonge. Ma France à moi ne vit pas dans le mensonge, avec le cœur et la rage, à la lumière, pas dans l'ombre. C'est pas ma France à moi, cette France profonde, celle qui nous fout la honte et aimerait que l'on plonge. Ma France à moi ne vit pas dans le mensonge, avec le cœur et la rage, ouais. Ma France à moi, elle parle en SMS, travaille par MSN, se réconcilie en mail et se rencontre en MMS. Se déplace en skate, en scooter, en bolide. Basile Poli est un mythe, les cinétines sont synonymes, elle. Il faut pas croire qu'on la déteste, mais elle nous manque, car nos parents travaillent depuis 20 ans pour le même montant, elle. Nous a donné des ailes, mais le ciel est